Hi everybody and welcome to my quick build of the MiG-15Bis from Hobby Boss in 1/72nd scale. This is one of their easy assembly kits and I chose this one on purpose as I wanted to build the way I used to as a boy, all in one session. As a result, this will not be my best model, but it was great to re-spark my lost mojo. So let's get started. The cockpit is quite simple but has a reasonable amount of detail. However, there's no transfer for the instrument panel, so I use one from the spares box. This is from a Bolt & Pull Defiant. In hindsight, the cockpit should have been grey, but I used my own mix for that well-known MiG turquoise colour. In addition, I made belts from tape and the cockpit is done in little over half an hour. I'll add some nose weight and then add it to the fuselage. The fuselage itself is a two-piece affair that traps the wings in between. There were some large gaps here that needed filling. Excess filler is removed with my clay shaping tool. With the addition of the home mast canopy with Clearfix, the build is finished around about the 1 hour mark. I left it for 30 minutes and worked on another project to let everything dry. used this as something of a test bed to see if different colours of undercoat would affect the final metal colours. I added both lighter and darker patches to see if they would show through the thin metal colours. It didn't work. The metal colour top coat was applied at about the 2 hour and 40 mark. Metal colours, like most metal paints, require a gloss black undercoat to have a real shine. I didn't want this one quite so shiny, so I used a matte grey of Stynel res instead. The transfers were of good quality, and as there were only 8, were very quick to put on at around about 3 hours. A single gloss coat of outclassed aqua gloss was added, and there'll be no weathering on this. After removing my canopy mass, the MiG is completed after around 3 hours and 40 minutes. As I said at the start, this is not my best model. It was completed in one session in one go. I wasn't aiming for a great finish though, just something to respark the mojo, and for that this worked perfectly. There's no way this is going on a table at a show, but it does look good on my daughter's ceiling. I think my Mojo was returned because of this, so it was a worthwhile thing to do. So until next time, thanks for watching, keep modelling and have fun. Bye.